floor got damaged because yesterday we were out and we didn't see like all the water. See, like there's water coming out
from the
here.
Oh yeah, I can fix that. I can fix that.
Okay.
But it might be coming from the floor if the sewer is backed up.
Well, no, because this was coming. So I put one of those blue tablets on the on the toilet, and I would see like all the blue stain. And we had the handyman came, and I told my husband there's something. I don't know where it's coming from, but the guy didn't see it. So one day when I was cleaning the toilet, I saw like the blue water just coming out from here.
But you said the sewer is backed up.
Yeah.
And it's coming out every time you flush?
Yeah, I cleaned it.
Oh, the water's off? Okay. But this was full of sewage.
Oh, yeah. The toilet.
And you haven't used it since?
No, we haven't used it. So I was washing, and all the water.
It came out of the. Okay.
We just moved here, so I don't know if it's something. I hope we didn't cause it.
Okay, so we have a clean out right here, and fortunately, this is not a long run. Because the sewer for sure is going to be somewhere in this alley manhole right there. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we want to go that way. Whoops. I have to. Oh no. I have to. There you go. A little bit. A little bit of dookie. It's definitely full. I'm tempted just to chain this. This is such a short run that the chains will be enough. The chains just get difficult when you have to push it a really long distance. So we'll try it with the Chizanes. I haven't even look. It's already unclogged it. Well, that was easy. Okay. That was easy. So, okay, soft stoppage. Probably baby wipes is what I'm thinking. Nothing on the end. Alright, well, let's get the camera and see if there's any root intrusions or other soft stoppages or toys or, I don't know, Christmas ornaments. Look at that Santa. That's a big one. Okay. That's really holding water there, though. It's like there's a pretty big belly. Transitions, cast iron. Can't get it to go past. Doesn't want to slide through. Okay, I took the skid off and I was able to get past that little area, but that I was having trouble with. But as you can see, this is ABS, and it's ABS for a little bit, and then it transitions to cast iron, and there's a really bad sag, a belly. See, this is all clay. That's all clay right there. This is just a small section of cast iron. And when you transition right here, I'm pulling it back, see it drops down into the ABS. That's where it was getting hung up. You can see it holding water right here. Bad. So there's a belly in the line. See, I'm really having to, I have to really smack that to get it over the lip. So what I'm thinking is, I betcha when they transitioned from ABS to the cast iron, they used the rubber Fernco's, and it's probably just sagging really bad because, once again, watch. When I pull it from the cast iron into the ABS, it drops down. Watch. Drops down. And boom. Into a friggin'. And then I have to really smack it over that lip. That's where the clog was. That's where the clog was. So, there's no roots or anything. I mean, okay, so it's right there. Okay. Look at that. Jeez. Holy cow, man. I need a plastic bag or something to... excuse me, do you have a plastic bag, a garbage can, or garbage bag? All drained up. Okay. Now take those off. Okay. Leaking from this. I'm just gonna change it all anyway. Screw it. I got more right here. Okay, I got various, that one's definitely too big. Those are both gonna be too big. Let's hope this one. Yeah. That's the one. Alright. Those are on there. Yep, uninstalled it. There's a little crack in it. There's a little crack in it. So I'm gonna have to get a new toilet. Crack right here. You got a double wax here. And of course, this flange is way too low. Way too low. Bolts are fine, but you saw that water in there. It's wild. I'm gonna have to call the owner, figure out what he wants to do. Twelve inch rough toilet. We're at 12 and a half. We're at 12 and a half about. Okay, I called the owner and I told him, look, dude, it was double waxed before. There's a lot of water here. So I told him, I said, let's double wax it. And then if it leaks, we can then discuss bringing it up to floor level, bringing the flange up to floor level. Because it's Sunday, I had to run to Home Depot. I'm on the west side of LA. I'm just like, yo, I'm trying to get out of here. So I was like, this isn't going to cost you any more money. So let's just double wax it. And if it holds, great. If not, I'll come back next week and we will bring the flange up to floor level. Like that. Should be okay. It's a double thick and then a standard. Alright, that got a really good seal. I'm not worried about it. Floor is very unlevel. It's in the front here. I left my caulk gun at home, so hopefully I can push this. I've never tried that before. Okay, there you go. Don't forget your caulk gun at home because it makes it really difficult. But I got it decently caulked.